Hey you guys, it's Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, bosses. So first of all, for those maybe new to my channel, my name is Natalie. I'm the owner of True Co Styles online clothing boutique. I do boutique coaching. I'm a business strategist. I have a YouTube channel,
and that is who I am. And to those who are loyal subscribers, hey, welcome back to my channel, you guys.
Anyways, you guys, today is July 1st, and do you guys know what today is? So exactly 1 year ago today, July 1st, 2018, I launched my online boutique, True Co Styles. Like around this time of day, I made it public to the world to let them know that I am now at this point a boutique owner. So you guys, it has just been like a crazy day. I've actually been very busy today with, like, as always, consultation calls and things like that. But something I decided to do today, really this past weekend, today is Monday, I just decided to do a week-long sale for celebrating my anniversary for my boutique. So I'm actually right now packaging up orders as I normally do. I just packaged up 2 orders here, and I have about 7 more to do for today that I want to put out today. Hopefully it's like almost 4 o'clock, and then I'll do more tomorrow. So I don't know, I feel like I have so much to tell you guys, still a little time to talk because I'm actually really busy right now. So if you want tips on growing or launching your boutique, just stay tuned for this whole video. I promise you'll get something out of it. Get your notebook, something, okay? One of the tips that I'm doing, one of the things that I'm doing right now is setting goals for my business and getting very specific with them. So in my boutique, rather, my business is not just my boutique, that's like a fraction of what I do, but my boutique is still like the basis and the foundation of everything that I do. So within my boutique, I set sales goals for the month, for the rest of the year, basically month by month. And I won't really say exactly what my goals are, but I have sales goals for each month, and I know what that means, meaning I want to get specific. Let me just get comfortable, okay? Grab some popcorn, grab pen and paper. I'm gonna set you guys down. I'm gonna get comfortable so I can just update y'all. This is hypothetical, not mine at all, but let's say my sales goal for the month is $1,000. So in my boutique, I want to make $1,000, okay? Let's say you already have made sales, right, over the past couple of months, and on average, each sale that you get is about $25. Let's say on average, somebody on the low end, this is a low order, okay, on the low end spends about $25 at your boutique. That means if I want to spend a total of $1,000, divide that by my average of $25 per order. That means in a month, I only need to get 40 orders to hit my goal. In 1 month, 30 days, 4 weeks, I need to get at least 40 orders at $25 each to meet my sales goal of $1,000. So let's say that my weekly goal, 40 orders in a month. Well, there's 4 weeks. I'm gonna divide that by 4 because there's 4 weeks in a month, right? That means I need at least 10 orders every week. So every week I need to get at least 10 orders for at least $25 each, and I will hit my sales goal of $1,000. So this is basic math here for most of us, but this is how you need to be with your goals. So I sat down with myself. I took 15 minutes and I sat down for the rest of the year. My sales goal, I looked at my past orders and I told myself, okay, based on my past orders and based on my goals, this is how much stuff I need to sell within this time. Set a budget, set goals, and get things done, honey. So I'm doing that for the rest of the year. Each month is a different goal. Of course, I have a different goal for November because it's Black Friday. But anyway, so that's that, y'all. Second things second, let's say you're having a hard time getting sales. Are you having a hard time getting sales right now in your business? This is what I want y'all to do. Comment below and say, I'm having a hard time getting sales, and put your website in the comment. For those of you who are not prideful, for those of you who are okay with being transparent, I can almost guarantee you that you might see some sales when you post that comment, and I will approve the comments for this video only. So if that's you, put the comments down below. Now, let's say you're having trouble getting sales at your boutique. First of all, so you know what? Let me give you guys a little background story about this past weekend. So this past weekend, meaning Friday and Saturday only, I really wanted to promote that it's my 1 year anniversary from my boutique. I wanted to see a spike in sales, and I wanted to see, you know, how many sales I could really get. So what did I do? I went ham. Okay, when I say I went ham, now I already have channels set up. Okay, I already have my email marketing set up. I already have social media set up. I already know how to make and create social media ads. I can already do all of that. Okay, so if you don't know how to do all of that, that's step one, figuring all that out. Okay, and if you need to figure all that out, I'll tell you at the end how I can help you with that. But for now, this is for those of you who have these things set up, but you're not really utilizing them, okay, to the fullest maximum capacity. Okay, if that's you, listen up. Now, when it comes to maximizing your sales, my first tip is to have a sale. Like, have a exclusive sale for an occasion. It can be for the weekend, it can be for your anniversary like me, it can be for your birthday, your own personal birthday, it can be for 4th of July, it can be for Christmas, whatever. Make it a short amount of time. Don't do 2-3 weeks. It's good to do a weekend. It's good to attach a time stamp to it so that your customers feel a sense of urgency to getting to purchasing on your site. Okay, the first thing I did was I created a sale. Secondly, I created a flyer for my sale in canva.com. It's free. Go there now. And then after this video, not right now. And then I posted that sale and words around that sale to like engage my customers everywhere, okay, often. So I first put it in my email list because they always get everything first. That is a perk for them being on my email list. Some of you might have seen my emails this past weekend. Today's Monday, so like the past couple days, even this morning. So I first sent it out to my email list, and then I put it on all social medias, my personal social media, my business social media, Instagram, Facebook, and even here on YouTube, because I recognize that I have an audience here on YouTube who also supports my actual boutique business. And shout out to y'all who do, because some of y'all are so loyal. A lot of y'all, most of y'all are so loyal, and I just say shout out to y'all. I feel like I really like y'all, okay? Y'all my people. But anyways, I put it there, all over social media. And then lastly, I created ads around those sales. And from there, the order started to come in. The thing is, don't be stressing it. Don't be pressed. Don't beg people for money, okay? Set up your proper channels, email, social media, ads, word of mouth, text message, whatever you want to do, but recognize that you have value. Your store has value. Set up your proper channels and then let it be, y'all. When I set those things up and let it be, the orders come in. It may be immediately, it may be within a couple hours, it may be a day later. But what I do know is I always put a specific timestamp so that within that time frame, if they want to support, they're going to support. Okay, period. You cannot force your friends and family to support you, and you need to be able to reach out to people that you do not know. If you're having trouble getting sales, then have a sale. And when you have that sale, post it everywhere. And don't be afraid to promote yourself, honey, because who else is going to do it for you? Okay, promote yourself. And you need to promote yourself at least 1 to 3 times a day during your sale. If your sale is only one, if it's a 24-hour sale, you need to post at least 3 times on every channel, 3 emails, 3 social media posts, 1 ad. If your sale is going to be for the whole weekend, so like 3 to 4 days, post, I would still say at least 2 times a day, okay? Morning and night, or afternoon and night, or morning and afternoon. You need to know when your audience is the most engaged with your content, and it'll be different on every channel. So for me, my email marketing, I know this through trial and error and through my analytics. My email subscribers engage with me most during the week in the morning time, or during the weekend in the afternoonish evening time. So that's when I'm gonna post the most on my email list. But my social media engages most in the afternoon and evening time, no matter what day it is. Sundays a little bit earlier in the afternoon, Fridays a little bit later in the evening. Again, I know this through analytics. So you need to be posting when your audience is gonna be the most engaged. It might be different for different things. And so also post an ad. An ad will post itself. I saw my personal ad like 5 times yesterday. And when those orders come in, honey, that packaging during that sale better be the best darn packaging you ever did in your boutique life. Because the thing is, like for instance, I got a lot of orders from people that have never ordered from me before. I have a lot of first-time buyers, and so what do I want to create out of them? I want them to be repeat buyers, hunty, okay? So because of that, I'm going to make sure that my packaging is on fleek, okay? Promotionals are inside. As a matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is create a different promotion for these orders specifically for those who are first-time buyers with a discount for their next order, because you want them to come back. Now, something else I also did was I also, for today only, July 1st, that's the day that I was born, not me, but my business, I created a special secret sale just for my email subscribers. So my email list has access to 2 different sales: 50% off or buy one get one free. And I did not release that code to anybody but my email list, but what I did do on social media was I gave a little hint. Hey, if you're a part of my email list, look out for an email from me at this time tomorrow for a secret sale. And if you're not on my email list, DM me your email and I'll add you. Hello, I'm getting more email subscribers, because that's how I get my sales, through email subscribers. So that was a whole little webinar. Okay, did y'all take notes? Was that helpful? If it was helpful, comment down below. Yes, girl, it was helpful, or no, girl, I need more information. Anyways, so besides my sale and besides budgeting, another little update that I did, you guys, if you are a subscriber to my channel, you will never guess what I did. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, stop right now, hit the subscribe button down below right this instant and become one. Y'all, I switched over to Shopify. Number one, excuse my edges, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I switched over to Shopify and so far I love it. I'm happy I did it when I did it. I'm happy that my first year, when I was first getting under the ringer and really figuring things out, I did Squarespace, because for my brain, it was a lot easier to understand and to set up. And now that I've done Squarespace, Shopify, I know what I want. I'm saying I know what I want because a lot of things in Shopify are not as clear and cut, or are not as easily accessible. You have to download different apps to your store to really get what you want out of it. And so I would not have known what apps to download if I didn't already have another store, because now I know what I'm looking for, and if I can't find it on Shopify, I can find it in the app store, if that makes sense. If you have Shopify, you know what I'm talking about. So earlier I addressed that if you already have proper like email marketing, ads, and social media set up, then this is a video for you. If you're someone who you don't have those things set up, you don't know anything about email marketing, you don't even have your boutique launched yet, you don't even know where to begin, you don't know how to get your seller's permit, your EIN, your LLC, your sole proprietorship, whatever. If you're in that arena of people, then I want to work with you. So if you're someone who you don't know how to launch your boutique at all, you don't know the proper steps to even get started, then I want you to click the link down below. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to packaging these orders, you guys. It's been like 30 minutes, honestly. So I'm gonna go package these orders, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, bye.